guys, it's Banana here. Welcome back everybody to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm not on Roblox this time, but today is actually a how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is basically what today's video is. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint and how to attract the read and how to general stuff. And the next video I make is how to make it like very interesting, very nice, very flashy. So guys, keep tuned for that. But before this video starts, make sure you like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to me. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so I use blank presentation. So basically what we're going to do first is we want to have a background design. For example, if you're going to be making a kids design, then it's going to be nice and flashy, or if you want to do it like a proper presentation for school, it has to be kind of mature. Okay, so right now what you do is you press on design, which is on the top of the tab list, like this screen table thing right here. So just pick any one, you can preview them, which one looks nice. There's also design ideas as well here that could really help. So I think today I'm going to choose I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, just any random one, and I can tap in Banana YouTube. Okay guys, so what you do is you press on here and you type whatever you want, add a subtitle, for example, by Banana, and yeah, there you go. There's your usual picture slide. It's called a slide. So basically on design ideas, it shows you many different designs that you can choose from. For example, I will choose this one. So next up, you want to know how to take a photo. So if you go on insert, and there should be pictures on here. So you could either choose pictures from your desktop, or you can choose online pictures. I would choose online pictures if you're doing something, for example, electricity. I don't know if you have something to do with electricity on your desktop or something, but it would really. So I'm going to search up YouTube logo. So that is just for example. So I'm going to pick this one just for fun, and so you press insert, and there you have that picture right there, and you go on design, and it shows you many different designs that you can choose from. So if you don't want to have alt text, all you need to do is just remove that, just take it away. We don't want it. Okay, so say for example you don't want to have a white background. This is what you do. So you press onto the picture. Why is that still there? Oh great. Okay, so for example you press onto format, which should be here as soon as you press the picture you want, and then you go onto, for example, color. So you're on color here, and so there's different colors that you can choose from, but what you do is you set transparent color. So as you can see, there's like this little pen following me around. So what you do is you just press it, and then it should give you a background. I didn't want to do mine because I kind of like it this way, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. So if you want to add like a little caption onto the text, you go onto alt text, and you can write something saying YouTube logo. Okay, that's not how you spell YouTube, but you get it. Okay, so next up I want to show you guys how to make another slide. So what you do is you go back onto home, and then you should press on new slide, and you get to choose what slide you want. For example, there's title slide, title context, section header, to context, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. So what I'm going to do is I usually do content and title and content. So for example, YouTube channel about. So if you want to change the font style for this, it's very simple. All you have to do is highlight it, which all you have to do is just drag your mouse, your cursor mouse, whatever you want to call it, and then this should come up. So if you want to make it bold, press B. If you want to make it italic, press I. And if you want to underline it, press U with an underline. So if you want to choose a different text, you go onto font, and then there's so many different fonts to choose from, but my favorite is a font called Rockwell. And if you want to make it smaller, you go onto font size. But usually if it's a title, I would like to make it nice and big. And if you want to also change the color of it, you go on here where there's an A and a red underline, and you get to pick different content. So I'm going to write on this box here, what is Banana YouTube channel about? I'm gonna write So I wrote, there's a girl called Banana playing games on Roblox, but she also shows how to do videos. So that is basically what you do. And if you want to make it, you know, very, very interesting, you want to go in design and press this right here where my cursor is, and then it should have some really cool design ideas onto the side. So for example, there's this. That looks nice. Or maybe this. Or maybe this. It's up to you what you want. So I'm going to pick I think I'm gonna pick this one just because it's very nice and it's very me, it's very pretty. So if you want to make it a transition, then all you have to do is press transitions, which is on the toolbar, and you get to choose. So I'm going to choose, for example, vortex. So this is what it's going to look like. So if you don't want that, you can pick doors, or you can pick home, or you can pick gallery. It is honestly up to you, and I think I'm going to stick with vortex, so just because it looks super cool. And yeah. Okay, so for example, you want to add a picture into a photo like this. So I already showed you how to make a picture. Go on to online pictures, wait a little bit. So let's see if we can find a Roblox logo. Oh, remember when Roblox used to look like this, guys? Oh, that was so nice. So I think I'm going to just pick this one, because that is the Roblox right. Oh, oops. So for example, that happens. All you need to do is go on top here and press this one. So undo clear. So then you'll have it back. Okay, so you have your Roblox picture here, and to move it, you press on it and go on to picture 2. You press on it and then move it around here. If you can't do that, which sometimes people can't, you should go on picture border. No, not picture border. You should just click and press it. I think that's all you have to do. Yeah, I think I'm right with that one. And if you want to rotate it, it's up here, or like this, or if you want to make it bigger, like this, or yeah, that is it. Or if you want to crop it, for example, you just press the crop item here, then you go down and then you cropped it just like that. So I think I'm going to keep it as it is, just there, just normally. And if you want to change, for example, if you use ideas and you want to change it, all you have to do is press on it and then just type whatever you want. Okay guys, I think that is the end of today's video. So basically this video was to show you how to use in general Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed this video, and smash that like button and subscribe, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.